Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about an option in the Excel called spelling check. So it is actually located in a review tab. Here we have this option that is spelling check. So now how to use this? For example, this is my data. I have few words. I have few words, but you see, I want to write water, but instead I have written something else, which is not correct grammarly, and the other one is answer, but intentionally I have made a mistake. Here also the same. Here also I want to. Okay, so all of these are mistakes. So if you want to correct them, what you can do is just select any one of the cell, go for this spelling check, and it asks you whether it asks you and it gives you all the suggestions, whether it's about waters or it is water or watery or waters what. So what you can do is you just select water here. Okay, and you can also do this like change all. Okay, maybe answer you can select here. You can also select um, help here. Emoji. So here in this way we can easily correct each and every word that is misspelled here. See, water, answer, help, emoji. But here my intention is to write WRITE, but instead I have written white, WITE. So here it won't correct. It just skips it. Why? Because uh, in the sense, I mean why it has skipped in the sense the meaning of WITE white is it's a kind of fine which is usually imposed by a king for doing any serious offense. Okay, so it has certain meaning. So that's the reason why it has skipped. If any particular word has any meaning, a particular meaning, then usually it considers it as a word. See here, for example, what I'm doing is maybe I'm saying this. Okay, now if I do this spell check, then what happens? It usually suggests me. It usually suggests me. What do you want me to do? Like, so so here I don't have any words of right here. Maybe it is not suggesting. Maybe this may can work, I think. See, I'm selecting spell check. Again, yeah, it is now suggesting right. So you can easily change it. And if you can press OK, then you're good to go. See here, all the misspelled options has been corrected here. Okay. So in this way, you can easily make some changes or make some corrections that you want easily. And what you can also do is, for example, I'm writing uh, poemed, poemed. Okay. So I want to write poem, but here I have misspelled it intentionally. So if you just check spell check, then obviously it usually suggests the correct word that is poem. So what you can do is you just click on this and you can also autocorrect. Okay. do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet? Yes. If you press OK, and obviously, see here, if I see, if I press this thing, see, see here, that's the beauty of this thing. I'm pressing, I want to enter poemed, Poemd, see, Poemd. Now, if you press enter, then automatically it auto corrects the word with the correct word. I mean, intentionally, I want to make a mistake, but it usually auto corrects it. See, if I press enter, what happens? See what it has done. It has auto corrected this thing, right? So you can easily auto correct. Uh, you can easily auto correct to this thing, and what you can also do is you can also add that word to the dictionary itself. You can also do that. See, for example, I'll tell you. For example, I'm exam. Okay. So I want to add this to dictionary. This is not the correct one. So this is the correct thing. Exam is the correct thing, and I want to add it to the dictionary. If I add it, it will ask you, do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet? Yes. Click OK. Okay. What happens is something has happened. For example, I want to make some. See, I want to type this thing. Make maker. Okay. So if I press on this spelling here, then it automatically suggests me this thing, that is maker. Okay, it automatically suggests me this thing. Now what I can do is, after selecting this thing, I can easily make it change here, and also now it is good to go. Also, I'll show you an example. For example, um, BOART. Okay, so intentionally I'm making a mistake. If I click this, after selecting this, I can easily add it to the dictionary. Yes, spell check complete. If I click spell check again, ARD, if I enter this thing, okay. So earlier we have added this word, that is board, and we also have added maker, exam, everything we have added. So if you want to review that, what you can do is you just go to this file option, and here you have some called more, and in this options, here you have under proofing section, you have custom dictionaries. Just tap on that here, and you'll be seeing you'll be seeing all the words that have been added. For example, if you just tap edit word list, see here earlier what are the words that we have added here. So these are all the words that we have added. So likewise, you can easily uh, edit the words, or you can easily add the words. For example, see here, I want to add exam. So I want to add this word exam. So if I click add here, then automatically the word will be added. Or if not, I want to add maybe some other word, maybe bottle. I want to add bottle. So if I click add, see here, the bottle has been added. Okay. So likewise, if you just click OK, then automatically all your savings would be done. If you just click OK, here also if you just click OK, your savings would be done. And also I want to show you some other thing. Maybe for example, under the file, the more options, under proofing, here we have autocorrect options. Just tap on that. See here. So you can always do this thing. For example, here earlier we have a word called exempt, exampt. So I want to replace this with exam. Okay. So for example, if I click add, it has been added. If I click OK, if I click OK again, see here, if I am typing exampt, and if I press enter, it will usually it auto corrects this word with exam. See, I'm pressing enter. See the change here. So that's how you can easily make changes with this autocorrect options. And also, for example, if you have any formula, maybe equal to if a1 equal to 2 false. Otherwise, you can always print true. Okay. If I press enter, what happens is it is showing me the true here. Okay. Then what we can do is we can easily select this word, and if I press F7 here, automatically a spelling check window pops up. You can easily select the correct word and you can easily change it. If you press OK, then automatically if you press enter, see here, the change has been already made. So that's how you can easily play with this thing. And you can also do the other thing. For example, I'll show you. Go to the file, more options. Here under proofing section, here by defaultly, whenever you try to open this spelling check option, by defaultly Excel ignores words in upper cases. It also ignores words that contains numbers. It also ignores internet and file addresses, flag repeated words, everything it usually ignores it. So if you want Excel to take care of all those things, then what you need to do is you just need to uncheck here. If I uncheck this thing, uppercase, then automatically it will usually work. If I uncheck this thing, it also take cares of the numbers as well. Okay. So likewise, you can always play with it. So if you just click OK after unchecking it, the changes will come into the picture. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Jai Hind.